What if I told you there's one simple thing you can do every day that will put you on the path to becoming a millionaire? It's not about winning the lottery or inheriting a fortune. It's not even about working yourself to the bone every single day. It's about mindset, strategy, and consistent action. In this video, I'm going to break down the daily habits of millionaires and show you exactly how to implement them in your own life. We're talking actionable steps you can start taking today to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Watch till the end, because I'll reveal the biggest mistake people make that keeps them broke and struggling. Make sure to like and subscribe as you are watching. Look, most people waste time. They scroll through social media, binge watch Netflix, and complain about their jobs. They get stuck in a cycle of dissatisfaction and distraction, never really moving forward. Millionaires, on the other hand, are obsessed with results. They focus on what truly matters and cut out the noise. They understand the difference between working hard and working smart. It's not just about the hours you put in, but the value you create. Here's the thing, it doesn't matter how many hours you put in if you're not focused on activities that actually generate income. Efficiency and effectiveness are key. You could be busting your ass at a dead-end job, but that's not going to make you rich. Hard work alone isn't enough, it needs to be the right kind of work. You need to identify the one skill or business that has the potential to make you serious money. This requires introspection and strategic thinking. Think about it. What are you naturally good at? What comes effortlessly to you that others struggle with? What do people always ask for your help with? These are clues to your high-income skills. Maybe you're a killer writer, a coding whiz, or a problem solver who can think on their feet. Or perhaps you're a social media guru who knows how to engage and grow an audience. These are all valuable skills in today's market. These are all high-income skills that can be leveraged to build a profitable business. The key is to recognize and harness them. And don't give me that I don't have time excuse. Time management is crucial. We all have the same 24 hours in a day. It's how you use them that makes the difference. Millionaires just choose to spend their time differently. They focus on high-impact activities. They prioritize income-generating activities over mindless distractions. They know that every minute counts. So here's your action step for this chapter. Identify your one thing. What's the one skill or business idea that you're most passionate about and that has the potential to make you real money? What excites you and keeps you up at night? What can you see yourself doing for the long haul? Write it down, commit to it, and let's move on to the next step. This is where your journey to financial freedom begins. Listen up. Small, consistent actions compound over time. This principle is the cornerstone of building wealth and achieving financial freedom. It's not about making one big move, but rather about making small, deliberate steps every single day. This is especially true when it comes to building wealth. The journey to financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Each small action you take today can lead to significant results in the future. Most millionaires I know are obsessed with tracking their income and setting daily money goals. They understand the power of consistency and the impact of daily habits on their long-term financial health. Why daily? Because it creates urgency and accountability. When you set daily goals, you're constantly reminded of what you need to achieve, and this keeps you focused and driven. It forces you to take action every single day, even if it's just a small step. These small steps, when taken consistently, can lead to massive progress over time. And trust me, those small steps add up quickly. Just like a plant grows from a tiny seed, your financial goals can flourish from small, daily actions. Here's what I want you to do. Start by setting a specific, measurable money goal for yourself today. This goal should be clear and attainable, something you can realistically achieve within a day. Set a specific, measurable money goal for yourself today. It could be something as simple as earning a certain amount of money, saving a specific amount, or even reducing an expense. It could be something as simple as today, I will make $100 online. The key is to make it specific and measurable so you can track your progress. Now, how are you going to make that happen? Think about the actions you need to take to achieve your goal. Break it down into smaller tasks if necessary. Maybe you're going to write a blog post which can generate ad revenue or affiliate income. Create a social media ad campaign which can drive traffic to your business or product, or sell some products on Etsy. Each of these actions can contribute to your daily financial goal. The point is to have a target to aim for and a plan to get there. Without a target, you're just shooting in the dark. With a clear goal, you have something to strive for. There are tons of tools and apps out there that can help you track your progress and stay motivated. Use them. These tools can provide valuable insights and keep you accountable. What gets measured, gets improved. By tracking your progress, you can see what's working and what's not, and make adjustments as needed. Remember, the goal here isn't to become a millionaire overnight. It's about building sustainable habits that will lead to long-term financial success. It's about building the habit of consistently taking action towards your financial goals. Over time, these habits will become second nature, and you'll find yourself making progress without even thinking about it. Let me tell you something. The fastest way to get rich is to master a high-value skill. But what exactly does that mean? It means dedicating yourself to learning something that the market values highly, something that can set you apart from the crowd. Knowledge is power. And in today's economy, it's also the key to unlocking massive wealth. The more you know, the more you can leverage that knowledge to create opportunities, solve problems, and ultimately, generate income. Warren Buffett once said, "The best investment you can make is in yourself." This timeless advice underscores the importance of continuous learning and self-improvement. And he's right, the more you learn, the more valuable you become to the marketplace. Your skills and knowledge can open doors to new opportunities, higher salaries, and even entrepreneurial ventures. Think about it. If you could wave a magic wand and become an expert in any field, what would it be? Would it be something that excites you, something that you're passionate about, or something that has a high demand in the market? Would you learn how to code the next viral app? Coding is a skill that's in high demand and can lead to lucrative job offers, or even the creation of your own tech startup. Master the art of copywriting and persuasion. These skills are essential in marketing, sales, and any business that relies on effective communication to drive results. Or become a real estate investing mogul. Real estate can be a path to significant wealth if you understand the market and know how to make smart investments. The good news is, you don't need a magic wand. You have the power to learn and grow at your fingertips. All you need is the internet and a willingness to learn. The digital age has made it easier than ever to access information and acquire new skills. There are countless online courses, books, and resources available that can teach you virtually anything you want to know. From free YouTube tutorials to comprehensive paid courses, the options are endless. So here's your action step for this chapter. Commit to spending at least 30 minutes every single day learning a high-value skill. Consistency is key, and over time, those 30 minutes will add up to a wealth of knowledge. It could be anything related to your chosen business or income stream. Whether it's improving your technical skills, learning about financial management, or mastering a new language, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the more you invest in your education, the higher your earning potential will be. Your future self will thank you for the time and effort you put into learning today. Build a side hustle. Listen, millionaires don't rely on one paycheck. They understand the importance of diversifying their income streams and building multiple sources of revenue. That's why it's crucial to start a side hustle. It could be anything from dropshipping to freelancing to creating your own YouTube channel. The key is to find something you enjoy, and that has the potential to generate passive income. Here's the deal. Your side hustle is your ticket to financial freedom. It's your opportunity to build something on your own terms, without answering to a boss. And the best part, you don't need to quit your day job to get started. You can build your side hustle in your spare time, gradually scaling it up as you gain traction. So, here's your action step for this chapter. Pick one side hustle idea and commit to working on it for at least 30 days. Don't overthink it, just choose something and get started. Network with winners. I'm going to be blunt. Your network determines your net worth. The people you surround yourself with have a massive impact on your success. Think about it. If you're constantly hanging out with negative, unambitious people, do you think you're going to be inspired to achieve great things? Probably not. Millionaires, on the other hand, understand the importance of surrounding themselves with other successful individuals. They attend industry events, join mastermind groups, and seek out mentors who can help them reach the next level. Here's the thing. Success leaves clues, and the fastest way to achieve success is to learn from those who have already done it. So, here's your action step for this chapter. Make a commitment to expand your network and connect with other driven individuals. Join online communities, attend local meetups, and reach out to people you admire. Take massive action. Here's the cold, hard truth. The number one difference between rich and poor is action. Most people are content to consume information, but they never actually apply what they learn. They watch motivational videos, read self-help books, and attend seminars, but they never take that crucial step from knowledge to action. Listen, you can have all the information in the world, but if you don't act on it, it's worthless. Knowledge without action is like a car without an engine, it's going nowhere. So here's your final action step, and it's the most important one. Pick one thing from this video and do it today. Don't wait for the perfect time, because there's no such thing. The only way to achieve your goals is to start taking action, even if it's just one small step at a time. The time to act is now. And there you have it, folks, the daily habits of millionaires, broken down into actionable steps. And why wait? You can start by implementing it today. Remember, building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. and it requires dedication. It takes time, effort, and consistent action. You want the fastest way to success? Then take action on these millionaire habits today. Don't wait for permission, don't make excuses, and don't let fear hold you back. If you're serious about transforming your life and achieving financial freedom, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more game-changing content. Make sure to like and leave a comment below, telling me which habit you're going to implement first. Till next time, everyone.